Hey everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again. I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving. I was very blessed and fortunate to have family around and enough food and always thinking about those folks that are not as fortunate and also the folks that are overseas serving in the military too. And as far as our weather is concerned, we're looking at some more snow on the horizon. In fact, it'll be coming in tomorrow and we might get a couple inches, maybe even more Sunday with more snow expected. Our photograph tonight, a very nice aurora shot once again. This one is sent in by Bobby Stocks, and look at the beautiful colors there, the green and almost a purple color from the sky there. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means send it to photos@ktvf11.com and we'll share it with the rest of the audience. Here's your numbers right now. 1 degree the high today, and the high right now. The low last night, 9 below. The record high, 42 in 1976, 50 below in 1909. Sunrise and sunset, about 4 hours and 52 minutes of daylight. That's a loss of 5 minutes from yesterday. And as far as our satellite and radar, once again, you can see we're looking at a little more moisture coming in from the southwest. And that's moving up over an area of high pressure that is giving the folks over southeast Alaska nice weather, but that's going to change rapidly for them. Here's what's going on across the rest of the state. As you can see, we're looking at nice weather over southeast Alaska. Look, kind of chilly though, 17 degrees at Juneau. There's snow over the southwest of the Fairbanks area. Anchorage only 23 degrees for the high there today. 28 at Nome, 2 degrees at Barrow, and 18 below in the Fort Yukon area. Lower 48 weather. A little bit of snow shower activity over the Pacific Northwest, not quite in the Seattle area, and temperatures mainly in the 60s up and down the west coast, a little warmer around the Phoenix region, so 84 degrees there. 23 degrees in Minneapolis, lots of sunshine. 32 in Chicago, New York 37 degrees. The Macy Day Parade yesterday was beautiful. And over southern sections, New Orleans at 62 degrees. Now the satellite picture showing most of the energy way up to the north. That's good news. Although a little more lake effect snow is coming in across the Great Lakes there, and a little more precipitation coming in for the Pacific Northwest here, a little rain shower activity there. And as far as warm temperatures, well, look at how warm they're looking at for tomorrow. 71 degrees in Fresno after a high today of 60, 81 degrees in Los Angeles, and Phoenix once again 82 degrees, Denver at 70 degrees, so some warm temperatures there. And the jet stream once again remaining way to the north. That allows all the warm air to come up from the south. Showers over the eastern half of the country. Rain moving back in over the northern sections of California. Back to Alaska for tomorrow. The northern sections here. Cloudy skies at Barrow and Fort Yukon. Some snow will be developing in the Nome area. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, for the most part, a little bit of a change in the weather pattern. In fact, snow will be developing by afternoon with a couple inches possible across the entire region. Over southeast Alaska, winter storm watch is in effect with snow likely beginning and ending, well, moving into Sunday. 4 to 6 inches of snow expected there. Over to the southwest, it looks like snow showers for Cold Bay and Bethel, rain and snow at Kodiak region. And over the south central regions, looking at snow likely with 2 to 4 inches, periods of snow at Homer and Valdez. So kind of a white weekend for the folks down in the Anchorage area. They've been looking for that for a long time. Here, once again, time for our kids' weather. And this week we've been talking with the kids from Ladd Elementary School. But tonight, let's hear from the teacher.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Thurman, and this is my 6th grade class here at Ladd Elementary, and we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that the wettest place on Earth is on an island south of India? Close to 480 inches of rain, or 40 feet, falls each year.
Wow!
Thanks to Mount McKinley Bank, and next week we'll be taking a little bit of a break with the kids and passing along some weather facts. Real quickly, our winter trails report, the snow we've received has allowed Moose Mountain to open up with more additional snow this weekend. The other resorts will probably be following suit. By next weekend, the trails are getting better for cross-country skiers and snow machiners. In your forecast for tonight, cloudy skies continue quite cool, 10 below for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, snow developing throughout the evening, maybe a couple inches of forecast, and the extended forecast calling for periods of light snow right on into Wednesday, it looks like, with overnight lows once again warming up a little bit than what they have been. Daytime highs also warming up to the 0 to single-digit marks, and all in all, not too bad.